The Yamaha Tricity 300 is the world's first mass-produced scooter with an airbag. Yamaha has introduced the 2026 model year Tricity 300, and it is the world's first mass-produced scooter with an integrated airbag. The new system was developed by Yamaha in collaboration with the Swedish company Autoliv. Unlike the simple transfer of automotive technology, it uses a special G sensor in the central part of the body, which monitors deceleration in real time. If the system recognizes the parameters of a frontal collision, the airbag instantly opens under the steering wheel to cushion the impact and reduce the risk of serious injury to the driver. According to Yamaha, the system is designed specifically for frontal crashes and should not work in other scenarios, such as side sliding or sudden braking. The developers note that the task of the cushion is to maximize the absorption of some of the kinetic energy of the biker before it is thrown forward. The idea was based on accident data. Even early Honda studies showed that up to 68% of fatal or severe motorcycle accidents are associated with head-on collisions. According to Autoliv tests, when simulating a side impact at 50 kilometers per hour, the head injury index without a pillow reached 6,794, and with the pillow open, it dropped to 118, which is significantly below the dangerous threshold of 500. The Yamaha Tricity 300 is equipped with a 292cc Blue-Core single-cylinder engine developing 27.6 horsepower, which works with a CVT variator and a belt drive. The weight of the scooter is 242 kilograms. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more technology and transport innovations.